Hey guys! So, 2 months ago, more or less, I bought quite some things out of Aliexpress. Now, for those who don't know what Aliexpress is, it's an online shopping website where you can buy a lot of things for a very good price. It's mostly items coming from China, and I've been buying things from there for quite some time now, and I rarely got disappointed. So the things I bought were for the 11/11 sales day, and it took more or less a little bit less than 2 months to have everything delivered to my door. And so this is why now I'm going to open all of them with you. I'll hope you like it, and let's get to it. So this is the first one. Okay, so here we have the little clock thingy. I don't know what it's called. And not completely bent, but I think it's okay. I can fix this. One. I bought these because I think in there I should also have a silicone mold in the shape of a clock, so I can make resin clocks. And so to start with, I bought 3 of these little motors. Let's see if they work. And it works. Up to the next one. Okay, so here we have that's one fancy packaging for a couple of beads, but okay, why not? These are so pretty. I bought these to try and make those little galaxy spheres that some resin artists make. And oh no, there's no ziplock. Anyways. These are gorgeous. Like mermaid-ish shine. Oh, and this one is huge. I thought they would give me like little boxes. And these are just dried natural flowers. Also for resin art purposes. Although one can do whatever they want with it, but I bought it specifically for resin art. Since I don't really have a lot of space actually to dry flowers myself. These don't seem completely dry though. Kind of human. Is this real? I don't understand if this is real or just some synthetic fibers. These look real, I think. Maybe they're just dyed. And some bluish thing. Very nice. And they smell good. A little pine-ish cone thing. Nice. Oh, and these flowers. I used to have them in the old house where I used to live with my parents. Nice. I have some red too. I really hope these colors keep in a resin piece. Yeah, and here's the clock I was talking about. I bought only one to start. One with kind of neutral letters. And it fits. Okay, cool. The surface is a bit scratched though. It's not really positive, but we'll see the result once I make something with it. It's not very thick. Nice. I like this. So let's keep going. Oh, that's cute. Thought it was gonna be bigger, but this is my new UV lamp. Let's get this out of the way. So it's as big as my hand. It has 2 little stands and 6 little lights. So micro USB. So nice. Looks powerful. And since I like coasters, here I have a bunch of small stay. It doesn't want to stay. So we have a 10 centimeter square, a 12 times 8.5 rectangle, a tiny 5 centimeters square, and then here it's 9 by 8 oval shape, an 8 centimeters circle, and a more or less 6 centimeters smaller circle. So these are good for coasters, regular coasters, and these I have no idea, but they can come out. I can make cool little things with them, maybe hang them or whatever. Okay. And here we have the bigger coaster. Silicone mold, so in order to make 3 coasters at the same time, because if I want to make a set and I only have this one, which is smaller by the way, it might take like ages before I get a full set. So these I have 3, and then 2 times I have a full 6 people coaster set. Looks good, very shiny. It's not perfectly smooth though, I do see some little indentations, but nothing that can be solved with a little polishing. Oh, and here we have the little spheres. And 3 shapes. They look nice. Very stretchy. It's gonna be a pain to get these out of the spheres out of these molds, but why not? Then here we have little I have no idea how these are called. Tweezers? These are the ones with the round point for shaping jewelry threads. I've never owned one of these, and I hope it's gonna be useful. So I've wanted one of these for quite some time. Now I have it. Really nice. Smaller than what I thought, but still. And then so these are sanding papers. And I took them for sanding the resin pieces. I already own one of these rolls that are 150 grain something, and then we have these. These are like, this isn't the grain. I have no idea how you say it, but these are 7,800, 2,000, 1,500, and 2,500. 1,500, 2,500. Curious to see how smooth this one is though. Oh, cool. So I'm guessing this is like soft because you can attach this to one of those machines that do this automatically, but I'll be using my hands. But so this is a 7,000, really smooth. They all come in pairs, so let's hope they don't finish too soon. These aren't going to be useful. And then last one. So here we have little pendants. Make cute little sounds. Okay, so there's supposed to be 10. So these are 10. Perfect. So these were all the items that arrived, and now let's make something. So I'm going to try out these. I've wanted to make one of these for so long, so I'm not gonna wait more for it. And I think I want to try out this one. As of first, I think it's not bad. Then I will use one of these little beads and flower. The UV resin I'll be using is this Zepeto Unique UV Resin Hard. bought this online a while ago. Don't really remember where, but I'll try to put the link in the description box. So, maybe I'll use one of these. The little blue ones are very cute. And let's see if we have something in red. Like these little flowers. From this little thing too. Okay. So what I can do, I can put these here. Okay. This looks nice. And then if I add one of these little beads, it will be even more perfect. Okay, so first things first. And I like that. It's very nice. Here I've got my mica powder shake jars that I bought from Amazon. And I think here I'm going to add maybe this little pearl-ish color. Try to change the angles so it might be easier to see from here. I want to try to add this little piece here, just to add a little bit of dimension, hoping it's not going to float too much. Pretty cute. Very simple again. Wasn't looking to go anything really sensational or anything, but it's cooling down now. I'm going to try and take it out. And here it is. So the flowers didn't lose the color. It stayed more or less the same. The blue stayed blue, the pink stayed pink. Also the little bead, still the same color. Here on the other side you can see it's pink, while here it's like bluish. So that's about it. This was my Aliexpress shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye.